Hello my friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisrina Firdaus Althafunnisa from One Sanden Junior High School. Guys, I'm sure that every one of you ever drink soft drink like cola or anything. It could be trash if we do not change to be something useful. Because of that, today I'm gonna show you how to make Piggy plant pot from juice bottle. Let's check it out. Now, let's prepare the materials and tools. The materials are juice bottle, acrylic paint, and glue. And the tools are scissors, palette, match, marker, and brush paint. First step, cut the bottle into two parts by scissors. We will use this part and the bottle cap. Second step, make the ear shape. Before cut, draw the ear shape first by black marker. Will be more easy to cut. Then fold it down the ear shape. Like this. Next step, make some hole in the bottom of the bottle by heated scissors. This step is using for flowing the water. Next, let's prepare the acrylic paint, palette, and brush paint. Mix red and white. Look, it's pink color. Then, apply it to the bottle except the ear shape. Okay, let it dry. Meanwhile we wait the paint dry, we can also mix another color for the ear shape and the bottle cap. Look, it's dark pink. Then apply it to the bottle cap. Let it dry. Apply to the ear shape. Let it dry. Let's do the next steps. Draw the nose and eyes by black marker. Draw the eyes. Like this. Last steps, pass the bottle cap to the bottle by glue, and the position is under the eyes. Yay! Our Piggy plant pot is done and ready to use. Okay guys, that's all my presentations of making Piggy plant pot from used bottle. Let's save our earth by reducing the use of plastics. Do you agree with me? Let's do it from now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!